This footage is taken from an actual UK driving test. On this driving test, the candidate's first serious fault was for their road position approaching a roundabout. At the roundabout, they were taking the first exit left. Therefore, their road position should have been over to the left-hand side. However, you can see here that they are positioned over to the right. This was enough cause for the examiner to give a serious fault. When approaching roundabouts, keep an eye on your position, as well as looking for traffic arriving from the right. Keep your eyes moving to ensure you maintain the correct road position. The second serious fault was given during the maneuver. The candidate had to reverse in a straight line on the right-hand side. You must ensure you do not hit the curb or drift into the road. Therefore, you should go slowly and make small adjustments when necessary. You can see the candidate turns quite far into the road. They have been using too large adjustments with the steering wheel, making the vehicle turn sharply. You want to use small adjustments when necessary. The examiner gives them some time to correct their position, but they fail to do so. They need to angle the back of the car towards the curb and continue straight until they get near. Then turn away from the curb as they approach it to get parallel to it. The candidate turns away from the curb far too early whilst they are still a considerable distance from it. The examiner gives them a serious fault. Hopefully from this video you have learned to be very careful of your road position approaching roundabouts. Keep your eyes moving as you approach, keeping an eye on both your position and also traffic arriving from the right. Also, during a reverse on the right maneuver, just use little adjustments when you are turning the steering wheel. Don't make large adjustments when they are not necessary, as you make the car difficult to control. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.